Why it sucks to be a cow. Ah, the life of a cow. Peaceful, relaxing, and stress-free, right? Wrong. If you think being a cow is a dream life, think again. It sucks. Let me tell you why. First of all, you're born into chaos. One minute you're floating in your mom all cozy and warm, the next, boom! You're out in the world, flopping around like a drunk toddler trying to walk for the first time. Good luck, kid. Congratulations. You've been alive for 5 minutes and you've already embarrassed yourself. But wait, just as you're starting to think, hey, maybe mom isn't so bad, bam, you're taken away. No hugs, no goodbyes. You're on your own, buddy. Welcome to the world of abandonment issues. Instead of mom, you get this thing, a giant milk machine. Delicious artificial milk formula. Tastes like sadness and betrayal. Fast forward a few months and guess what? You're a teenager now. That means acne, awkward growth spurts, and, oh wait, you're a cow. So instead you get overcrowded pens, boring food, and absolutely zero privacy. Living the dream, huh? Also, good luck finding a decent patch of grass. It's like trying to find Wi-Fi at a music festival. Everyone else got there first. Just when you think life can't get any worse. Surprise. You win an all-expenses-paid trip to the slaughterhouse. And by all expenses paid, I mean you're crammed into a truck with 50 of your closest friends, no snacks, no bathrooms, and a bumpy ride that makes you question your existence. Road trips are supposed to be fun, but let's just say this one's not ending at Disneyland. And then, the grand finale. You're turned into a burger, a steak, or maybe some beef jerky if you're lucky. All that hard work growing up, and now you're just dinner for Karen and her family barbecue night. Yep, that's your legacy. You're delicious. Congrats, I guess. Why it sucks to be a cow. So next time you're enjoying a cheeseburger, just remember, cows didn't sign up for this. They're out here living their worst lives so you can have a snack. Maybe it's time to cut them some slack, huh? Be kind to cows, or at least stop bragging about your barbecue.